Dear students, very good morning. I hope you all fit and fine. Today we will start a new chapter, Constitutional Design. In previous chapter we will discuss about what is democracy and why democracy. Overview of this chapter. We noted in the previous chapter that in the democracy the rulers are not free to do what they like. Means in a democratic country the rulers are the government which is formed for the administration are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that the citizens and the governments have to follow. Means some basic rules which have to followed by citizens and also governments. All such rules together are called constitutions. That rules which is have to followed by citizens and governments also is called constitutions. As the supreme law of the country, the constitution determines the rights of citizens. Means the main law, you can say, or the main law of the country, the constitution determines the rights of citizens, the power of the governments, and how the government should function. All over describes in the constitution or rule book what government should we do, what citizens should we do, what is the right of citizens, what is the right powers of governments, and how to government should functions. In this chapter we ask some basic questions about the constitutional design of a democracy. Means संवैधानिक स्वरूप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिजाइन पे हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Why do we need a constitution? Means without constitution there is a big problem to rule or function a democratic country. How are the constitution drawn up? Means constitutions कैसे बनता? How are the constitution drawn up or make up? Who designs them and in what way? Who means the designer of constitutions and in what way? What are the values that shape the constitution in democratic states? What is the main value or basic value which is shape the constitutions in democratic states or countries? Once a constitution is accepted, can we make change later as required by the changing condition? Here is a big question. Once constitution design is accepted or found, can we make change later as required by the changing condition or time to time? Some questions. We will try to find the answer of these questions in this chapter. One recent instance of designing constitution for a democratic state is that of South Africa. हाल के दिनों में संविधान बनाने का एक उदाहरण दक्षिण अफ्रीका का है. We begin this chapter by looking at what happened there and how the South Africans went about this task of designing their constitutions. In this chapter, the first theme is democratic constitution in South Africa, and we are looking at what happened in South Africa and how the South Africans went about this task design their constitution or rules. Then we turn to how the Indian constitution was made. After that, we know about how the Indian constitution was made or formed, what its fundamental values are, and how it provides a good framework for the conduct of citizens' life, that of the government. In Indian constitution, we know how it provides a good framework for the conduct of citizens, and the functions of government are the lives that of the government. This is the overview of this chapter, constitutional design. In first theme of this chapter, we will discuss about democratic constitution in South Africa. We will discuss this theme in next class. So today is your introductory class, how to run a constitution design, how to form a constitutional design, and how it's work for citizens and for government also. So in next class we will discuss about democratic constitution in South Africa. Thank you very much.